Wildfire, we are moving up the road towards a town to the east. Confirm you have a visual on us.
Got eyes on friendlies. Crew, do not fire on any target marked by a strobe. Those are friendlies.
TV, confirm you see the church in the town.
We see it. Start the clock. Roger that. We're there. Start talking.
You are not authorized to level the church. Do not fire directly on the church.
Got a vehicle moving now. One of the vehicles is moving right now. Personnel coming out of the church. We have armed personnel approaching from the church. Request permission to engage.
Copy. You are cleared to engage the moving vehicle and any personnel around you see.
Affirmative. Crew, you are cleared to engage, but do not fire on the church.
Clean up that signal.
Shit, must have been a full tank of gas. Okay, you got him. Get back on the other guys.
Recalibrate azimuth sweep angle, adjust elevation scan.
That's a hit.
Set scan range. Yeah, cleared to engage.
Light him up. You gonna get him? Yeah, direct hit's right there. Guy running. You got him. Personnel right there.
I take care of the wall.
Yep, that was right on target. Direct hit. Yeah, take him out. Shot! You're firing too close to the friendlies. I repeat, you're firing too close to the friendlies. Watch for those IR strobes. Yep, that was right on target. Yeah, good kill. I see lots of little pieces down there. More enemy personnel.
Cleared to engage all of those.
Good kill, good kill.
Target reset. Yeah, cleared to engage. Clean up that signal.
Personnel right there. You gonna get him?
Wildfire, this is Bravo 6. Be advised, we're passing a large church and continuing towards the main highway. Keep up the fire. Bravo 6 out.
Roger that. Engage anything without a flashing strobe light. Those are all hostiles.
Kaboom. We got a runner here. Be careful, you almost killed our guys there. Hot damn! Roger, guy moving. You got him. More enemy personnel. Enemies crossing the field. Whoa! Get that guy. That's a hit. Direct hit.
Recalibrate azimuth sweep angle, adjust elevation scan.
Nice. Confirmed, vehicle neutralized.
Target reset. Set scan range. Clean up that signal.
Enemies crossing the field. Clear to engage enemy personnel. Get that person.
Copy. Smoke them.
Clear to engage enemy personnel. Guy running.
Rolling in. Target reset. Cleared to engage all of those.
We got a moving vehicle here. Negative, negative. Do not engage. I repeat, do not engage any vehicles on the main highway.
Wildfire, we're going to commandeer civilian transport on the main highway. Cover us.
Crew, do not engage any vehicles traveling on the highway. Those are civilians. Ground units are requiring alternate transport at this time. Do not engage any vehicles on the highway unless cleared to do so.
Bet that guy's pissed. That's a nice truck.
Nah, he's scared shitless.
Wildfire, we're marking the vehicles. Confirm you see the beacons.
Roger, we see the beacons. Crew, do not fire on the vehicles marked with the flashing beacons. I repeat, do not fire on the vehicles with the flashing beacons. Those are friendlies.
Set scan range.
Roger, guy moving.
Heads up. Hostile forces are setting up ambush points along the curved road.
Navigation. We got a moving vehicle here. Negative, negative. Do not engage. I repeat, do not engage any vehicles on the main highway.
Wildfire, we're going to commandeer civilian transport on the main highway. Cover us.
Crew, do not engage any vehicles traveling on the highway. Those are civilians. Ground units are requiring alternate transport at this time. Do not engage any vehicles on the highway unless cleared to do so.
Bet that guy's pissed. That's a nice truck.
Nah, he's scared shitless.
Wildfire, we're marking the vehicles. Confirm you see the beacons.
Roger, we see the beacons. Crew, do not fire on the vehicles marked with the flashing beacons. I repeat, do not fire on the vehicles with the flashing beacons. Those are friendlies.
Set scan range.
Enemies crossing the field.
Heads up. Hostile forces are setting up ambush points along the curved road.
Navigation, which one's the curved road? Over.
Fire control. Do you see the water tower? Over.
TV, confirm you see the water tower.
You talking about the water tower near the intersection?
Roger. That's the one. And next to that water tower is a curved road. Do you see that?
Roger that.
Track that road into the next village. You should be able to see another water tower in the village further down that road.
We're having a bit of trouble acquiring the village. How far up the road is it?
Approximately, hang on. It's about 2 clicks along the curved road going away from the highway.
Yeah, roger that.
We're banking towards the village. Stand by to engage ground targets.
We got hostiles setting up along the curved road.
Hostiles preparing to ambush along the curved road. They're partially concealed by the trees.
Whoa! Someone just fired an RPG!
Roger that. Crew, go ahead and take out everything in that village. Armored vehicle right there coming out of the barn.
Targets in the village are confirmed as hostile. Clear to engage. Smoke them.
Wildfire, we're under attack. We could use some help here.
Crew, track those smoke trails and take them out at the source. Clear a path for our guys.
Personnel on the roof of that U-shaped building.
U-shaped building?
Roger. It's the one with the square structure on the roof. It's the one with the flat roof. Whoa!
Okay, you got him. Get back on the other guys. You got him. Good kill, good kill. You got him. Yeah, direct hit's right there. Okay, you got him. Get back on the other guys. Yep, that was right on target.
Hang on. It's about 2 clicks along the curved road going away from the highway.
Yeah, roger that.
We're banking towards the village. Stand by to engage ground targets.
We got hostiles setting up along the curved road.
Hostiles preparing to ambush along the curved road. They're partially concealed by the trees.
Whoa! Someone just fired an RPG!
Roger that. Crew, go ahead and take out everything in that village. Armored vehicle right there coming out of the barn.
Targets in the village are confirmed as hostile. Clear to engage. Smoke them.
Wildfire, we're under attack. We could use some help here.
Crew, track those smoke trails and take them out at the source. Clear a path for our guys.
Personnel on the roof of that U-shaped building.
U-shaped building?
Roger. It's the one with the square structure on the roof. It's the one with the flat roof.
Kaboom.
Whoa! Hot damn!
Rolling in. Recalibrate out of the sweep angle, adjust elevation scan. Clean up that signal.
Get ready!
Target reset.
Get ready!
Set scan range.
There's a guy by that car.
Wildfire, we're approaching the LZ at the junkyard and leaving the vehicles.
Roger that, Bravo 6. Crew friendlies are leaving the vehicles and moving on foot towards the LZ. Do not fire on any personnel marked by a flashing strobe. Affirmative. Keep watching for those strobe lights. Those are friendlies.
Enemy personnel in the junkyard.
Crew, go ahead and smoke them. Man, these guys are going to town. You got them.
Get ready!
Okay, he's moving again. Get back on those guys. Get that guy.
Whoa!
More enemy personnel. There's a guy by that car. That's a hit. Light him up. Okay, you got him. Get back on the other guys.
Recalibrate out of the sweep angle, adjust elevation scan.
Nice.
clean up that signal.
Nail those guys by the building. Yeah, take them out. Light them up. Kaboom. Okay, he's moving again. Nail those guys. Roger, guy moving.
Yeah, cleared to engage.
Wildfire, we've reached the LZ, but we're taking fire from all sides. Request fire support on all sides of the LZ. Danger close.
Enemy personnel closing on the LZ from multiple sides. Danger close. Recommend you stick to the 25mm in the vicinity of the LZ.
Direct hit.
Guy ready!
Confirmed, vehicle neutralized.
Hot damn!
Copy. Crew, be advised, friendly helicopters entering the area. Watch your fire.
Wildfire, we're moving towards the helicopters now. Thanks for the assist. Bravo 6 out.
This is gonna be one hell of a highlight reel.
Yeah, I heard that. Crew, VIP is secure and in custody. Good job, everyone. Roger that. Returning to base.